tape. Guys, alam niyo guys, meron ako surpresa sa inyo.
What did you have for dinner
Table ko
tonight?
po to guys. Diba guys?
Hello?
So guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo anong laman dito sa table ko guys. Tingnan niyo guys Alam niyo guys, mga table. Alam niyo guys, bakit meron mga ganito guys? Kasi
Hello?
nakuan ko lang siya guys. Kinaganto yan. Kasi wala pang naibang
Can you hear,
table
teacher?
ko. Hindi, tinatapat ko na lang sila guys. So
Yes,
okay lang man yan
okay.
guys. So ito muna
Alright.
guys.
Can you please
Sa
tell
ating
me,
mga
are you
plants.
ready for the
So,
class?
Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys.
Yes. Good job. Alright.
So first
Now, can you
guys,
please look
ito cute
at
ko
here?
guys. Sobrang cute niya tayo. At ito guys.
Okay. Now, can you please look at here?
And, so guys, ang cutting mat ko guys
Are you ready, Leo?
Sobrang dirty and sobrang laki. Pero nagdi-DIY na lang ako ng
Yes, I do.
cutting mat.
Okay.
Cutting mat. So, nagdi-DIY.
Alright.
Next, ito po.
Okay.
Lagayan ng mga
Okay. So look at
photocards
here,
sa
Leo.
mga...
What
Ano,
is
magbibili po ako ng
this?
photocards, pero Pokemon meron.
What?
Pwede mo mag-Pokemon dito, guys.
Are
Mga pencils.
you good at
Hey,
school?
guys, dito po ang pencils ko. Kasi wala na ko ibang
Oh.
lagayan.
Are
Kundi
you
dyan.
good? Are you good at
Tinuyo ko na lang, guys, kasi wala pa akong binili. Wala pang nagbili si Mama.
Are you good at
Ito
sports?
guys. Para hindi na pang
Yes,
organizer
good.
to guys.
Are
Para
you good
laro
at
anak po to guys.
sports? Alright. Yes.
Guys,
Yes.
guys,
I can
sa bakal po
climb
to.
tree.
Ito nabili. Binigay ng
Okay.
kuya ko. Ito guys. Pangit niya tayo. Charot.
Okay, climb trees. Alright. What
So
about
guys, iba-ibang color nito guys. Ako color white, pero color pink binigay ko sa iba. Shout out!